So good morning students, welcome back. Today we'll discuss a significant figure in the chapter unit 10 dimension. As you know, we are discussing the first unit, okay, that include two chapters, first and second, combined we are discussing, and our topic is significant figure today in the chapter unit 10 measurements, unit 10 dimension. So look, what is significant figures? Look, every measurement is represented by some numbers or valuable digit that shows the result of the measurement is said to be significant figures. It means every measurement, okay, is represented by some valuable digit with some numbers. That numbers is said to be significant figures. Suppose you got 80%, okay, you got 80% in that examination. So 80 is said to be significant figures, okay. Now suppose we did experiment and we found the result accuracy 25. Yeah, we got the result 25 centimeter. Suppose we measured the length and we got 25 centimeter. So we did experiment, okay, and measurement is represented by with this number. So this number is said to be significant figures. Every measurement experiment is represented by some numbers, valuable numbers that shows the result of that experiment, measurement. Such number is said to be significant figure. Now students, there are some laws for finding the significant figures in numbers. So one by one we'll discuss 5 to 6 rules for finding the significant figures. Then it will be clear for you. Understood students? So let's get start the first laws. So now students, rules for finding significant figures. Our first rule number first is all non-zero digits are significant. Understood? All non-zero digits are significant. What is the meaning of this term? I will explain with the help of examples. Look at students. This is the numbers 24, 477, 3879, 5. So how many significant will be in 24? We'll count the numbers. We count the digits. 1 and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. There will be 3 significant figure. 1 and 2, 2 significant figure. Non-zero. These are the non-zero numbers. Okay, non-zero numbers are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. There will be 4 significant figures. 5 only 1 significant figures. These are the numbers, non-zero digits. That's right. 1, 2. 2 significant will be there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And only 1. So all non-zero digits is said to be significant figure. Okay. Number second. All zeros coming between two non-zero digits are considered as significant figure. All zeros between two non-zero digits are considered as significant figure. Look, these are the numbers. 1 is non-zero, 8 is non-zero, okay. All zeros coming between two non-zeros are significant. It means how many significant will be there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This time we'll consider 0 as a significant. Why? Because it is coming between two non-zero. Understood? Suppose these examples, okay. How many significant figure will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will consider these 0 as significant, but this will not. Why? Because these zeros are coming between two non-zero and this is not. So that's why we will consider only these 0 as a significant figure. This will not consider the 0 that comes between two non-zero are considered as significant figure. So 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Understood? 0 that comes between two non-zero are considered as significant figure. Rule number second. Now students, rule third. If the number is less than 1, okay, if the number is less than 1, then the 0 just after the decimal is not considered as significant figure. Look at, these are the examples, these are the numbers. 0.007, this is less than 1, and 0 just this is a decimal, 0, these 0 just after decimal will not consider as significant. So only one significant number will be there. One significant figure will be there. Decimal, these 0 will not consider. Okay, 1 and 1, 2. Decimal, just after decimal, this 0 will not consider. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Remember, if the number is less than 1, the 0 just after decimal will not consider as significant figure. Understood? The rule number 4, if the number is less than 1, again, then the 0 after the non-zero digit considered as significant figure. I will clear with the help of example. Look at 0.00700. This is the number less than 1. 0 after decimal will not consider as significant, but 0 after non-zero, this is non-zero digit, and after it the 0 will consider as significant figure. So 1, 2 and 3, 3 significant figure will be there. Just like 0 after decimal will not consider, but the 0 after non-zero consider as significant numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is not considered. 0 after non-zero. These 0 are coming after 5. 5 is a non-zero digit. That's why these 0 considered as a significant figure. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 significant will be there. Okay, students? Now, students, rule number 5. If the number is greater than 1 and without decimal, greater than 1 and without decimal, then the 0 after non-zero digits does not consider as significant figure. Look example 24700. This number is greater than 1, obvious. Then the 0 after non-zero does not consider as significant. So how many significant will be there? 1, 2 and 3. 0 after non-zero, this time will not consider because this is greater than 1. So this is not. Okay, only one significant will be there. Okay, now here this will be not 1 and 1, 2. 2 significant will be there. Understood? Now, students, rule number 6. Power of 10, like 10 raised to the power x, does not consider as significant figure. I'll give example. Like 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. How many significant figure will be there? 10 raised to the power x means this term will not consider as significant, and this is what 1 and 1, 2 significant figure. Again 10 raised to the power 50 will not consider. 1, 2 and 3 significant will be there. Again 10 raised to the power minus 2 will not consider as significant figure, and the previous rules. This is less than 1, so 0 just after decimal will not consider as significant. This will not consider, only 2 means like one significant figure will be there. Understood?